tree. Oh, I can't see the thing. So what do you think, Phoebe? Which one are you going to get?
Oh, you're eating the snow. You
Mom, what do you think about this one? You gotta remember to take the tag off for her.
Wider, but you've got the space, haven't you?
That's what we like.
And it's going into corner, so it's sitting on even.
Well, it's just pretty gorgeous up here now, isn't it? You eating snow? Is that yummy? Can you get up? Liam, look, Daddy's gonna cut down the tree. You wanna watch? Hey, here goes Papa.
What do you think of this one, Dad?
Oh, is that right?
A little big, you think?
Nah.
Little full.
Mom,
A lot
let's
of sap.
go.
You wanna go? Let's go help Daddy.
Uh-oh, our tree broke.
Did it?
We are not getting a tree this year, I've told you.
We are.
We're not.